Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have my handy dandy little helper with me today, and she's going to help me make this DIY eczema scrub. She has been diagnosed with eczema, nummular eczema, and I hope I'm saying that right. I'll try to put it on the screen here. But it basically just means that it is eczema and it is coin shaped. So she has a bunch of little coin shaped circles all over her. That is just little eczema, dry skin spots. She was put on a steroid cream, and that almost knocked it completely out. And I'm hoping that this more natural product will go ahead and completely get rid of it. And so we're going to make that today. Say hi.
Hi.
Alright, so I'm going to turn y'all around here. It is just 3 ingredients. It's super simple, and we'll get into it. Okay, so this is our 3 ingredients. We have a half a cup of brown sugar, a half a cup of coconut oil, and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And I will put the recipe in the comments down below. So now we are going to just mix all 3 of these together, and I'm going to have my handy dandy helper do that for me. So pour this one into this. You can pick it up. That would be easier.
Pour it all in?
Yep. Oh. Can you pick it up and scoop it in? Good thing this is for personal use.
Shoot up. That's all I can get.
That's okay. Now do you want to pour in the baking soda?
Yes.
And you can see here on her arm when she has it in the camera, her little bitty white dots all over her skin. Most of them are pretty soft now, like you can't feel them anymore, but some of them still have a little bit of a rough texture to it, and I'm hoping that this scrub will go ahead and knock those out. And I think the ones that I can't feel anymore are probably just tan lines now, because she has been outside all summer. So I'm hoping once her tan goes away, the spots will go away.
Can I stir it?
So now we're just going to stir this up. And I'm going to let her stir.
I got it.
Just keep stirring, stirring. And you can also add a tablespoon of nutmeg to this mixture, and nutmeg is actually very good for antibacterial, so you could also add that in as well. But we didn't have any on hand, so we're working with what we got. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Alright, you can see, I'm going to mix it up a little bit better, but it's just a nice scrub-like texture. Okay guys, so that was it. That was like the quickest, simplest DIY ever. We just went ahead and put it in one of these little Dollar Tree containers. The lid seals really good, and it should keep it fresh for a really long time. So I might do an update video here in a week or 2, maybe give it actually 3 or 4 weeks to see if it does some good. And I might show you her arm again after the tan's gone away, and we'll see if this in combination with the tan going away, and see how it looks. So thanks for watching. Tell them thank you.
Thank you for watching my mom's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and share.
And leave a comment down below and let me know if you've also tried this, or if you have any other homemade remedies for eczema, because I would love to hear about them. Thanks, guys. See you next time.